What up, YouTube? Got a little bit of an unboxing for y'all. So, I was having issues out of my TPMS sensors in my truck. So, I ended up buying a set about a week ago, 2 weeks, give or take. And for whatever reason, every time I try to program it the way that GM tells you to, or do it on a dash in the truck, it wouldn't wake up the TPMS sensors. So after a lot more research, I found out that I have to buy something to wake the TPMS sensors up, which is where this comes in. It's not very expensive, but if you're not willing to spend a lot of money, this is something for you because it actually does what it's supposed to do. So let's get right into it. Okay, YouTube. I hate to interrupt this video, but some of y'all don't know, some of y'all do know. I am an Amazon affiliate, so I do have an Amazon store that I have. And if you see anything in it that you want, click on it. Look down in the description below. It'll be there. Check it out. You might find something that you might need. You might find something you might enjoy. Could be the next big thing to help you get your car fixed. Check it out. Okay, got the box open slightly, so let's take it out and see what it looks like. So inside the box, you have the actual tool that wakes up the TPMS, because that's the biggest problem. If the TPMS is not awake or active, it's not going to work with the car. So let me say it again. If the TPMS is not awake, it's not going to work with the car, even though they say they're already programmed. So what this little thing does, it wakes up the TPMS in order for it to be programmed to your vehicle, which is pretty cool. If you're familiar with programming for GMs and stuff, you go to the dash and all that stuff, go to the TPMS Learn. And once you do that, you know, it wakes it up. And they also make it for different versions of different vehicles. And it's an Amazon product, so, well, it's sold through Amazon, and I'm an Amazon affiliate. I'll put the link in the description, and hopefully you can get one. It's not that expensive. It's actually fairly cheap. So there's nothing really to it to do it. Just push that button. Hold it next to the tire when it's in learn mode inside your vehicle. And it's gonna do the same thing that it would do if you didn't have the tool. It'll beep the horn once it senses it. So pretty straightforward, you know, pretty small. It wasn't that expensive. I think I paid less than $10 for this thing. So it's pretty nice. It's got this little rubber coating on it. I guess that's supposed to have it in case it falls or something. But as always, like, share, subscribe, and make sure you comment. Also, too, the vehicle that I used it on was a 2011. So some of those you're not allowed to do it through the dash to do the top TPMS programming. So you might have to use the computer to do it. And my Altel computer does TPMS relearn. So as long as you can do the relearn using your actual computer, that's fine. Or if you can do it from the dash in the car. But if not, you're going to have to get some type of computer that does TPMS. And this is what you're going to need to wake up those TPMSs, unless they're old TPMSs. So what I'll do, as always, I'll put some stuff down in the description to help you all out with your situation with yours. And once again, continue to like, share, subscribe. And I am an Amazon affiliate. Check out my store. You might see something you might like, might need, might be able to use. Until next time.